video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a multi-job script by Code Universe into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the script, we just have to scroll down over here. Then click on this link. Now you will redirect to the App Store. You just have to click over here and get the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we just have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file, go to shared, then config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. As you can see in the framework section, I'll be changing the ESX standard to QBCore over here. And this is the configuration of maximum jobs a player can have. You can configure it according to your use, so I'll be keeping it default for now. So this is the command and the keybind to open the multi-job menu. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's open the multi-job menu. For that, just type /multijob. The menu has been opened over here. So our default job is unemployed over here, as you can see. So let's give ourselves the police job. And as you can see, I have the police job over here. Now let's type multi-job. Over here you can see I got the police job and the unemployment as well. So now let's give ourselves the mechanic job. I can switch between jobs over here. Now I've got the EMS job as well. As you can see. Now let's change the job to law enforcement over here. Now I've become the law enforcement officer. Now let's change to mechanic. Now again I've become the mechanic over here. So this is how you can use the multi-job menu. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.